Let's start with the first workout technique, strength training. Strengthen your muscles and improve your overall fitness with proper form and technique. Continue to challenge yourself with strength training exercises. Build strength and endurance for a healthier and fitter you. Next, we'll explore cardio exercises for a great cardiovascular workout. Get your heart pumping and burn calories with running, cycling, and jumping rope. Keep your heart healthy and improve your stamina with cardio exercises. Make your workouts more enjoyable and effective. Now, let's focus on flexibility and stretching exercises to improve your range of motion. Enhance your flexibility and prevent injuries with targeted stretches. Incorporate stretching exercises into your fitness routine. Increase your flexibility and feel more limber and relaxed. In conclusion, incorporating a variety of workout techniques can help you achieve a well-rounded fitness routine. Stay motivated and enjoy the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout techniques. Join our community and stay updated on the latest trends in fitness.